What is the fees of Anglo-Asian Maritime Academy?
Anglo-Asian, sir. 8 lakhs.
I'll kill you again. First of all, he does not look into my eyes.
Okay.
Then at least he knows that which college is eligible for. I guess through Merchant Navy startup or eligibility calculator.
Yes, sir.
But then does not know even the fees. Either you are a very rich man.
No, sir.
No, not rich. Gujarat or Cochin. Cochin very near to your place.
Yes, sir.
Comfortable people. Dosa, idli, vada, everything you require. Gujarat, you don't get that. He does not. He belongs to a rich man. His father is very rich. Because he does not want to save 3 lakh rupees, bhai. He is not looking at saving 3 lakh rupees. 3 lakh? I want, भैया खाना. Okay, sir. अब देखिए क्यों मैंने इनको पकड़ा. I'll tell you. आइए. So the video is about, I'll ask him simple question on GME course duration and structure. But when I was looking at him, इन्होंने अपनी eyes ऐसे कर ली. नहीं पकड़ते. So when I was thinking इससे पूछूं, तो he was looking into my eyes. समझ गए मेरी बात? So rule number 1, always look into the eyes. Look in. Don't try to hide. Because वहीं पर लगेगा weak link पकड़ो. Right? So my very simple questions. But first of all, tell your name please.
My name is Navanitha Krishnan. I am.
नहीं अब ये गलत देखो फिर से. The question is simple on GME course solution, but he is not looking into the eyes of the camera. You guys, my name is. नहीं देखो जब आप SMVD Marine Academy में, this is the attitude that you want to learn. Look into the eyes. चलो coming back to the point. हाँ आप कहाँ से आए यहाँ पे? You come from which place?
I am coming from Tamil Nadu.
Tamil Nadu. Understand Hindi or don't understand Hindi?
No understand.
Little bit.
No, sir.
Not at all. So understanding what I am speaking?
I understand that English word only.
English word only. Shh. I have to speak only in English now. So what is the GME course duration?
Course?
Course duration.
Course duration 1 year, sir.
Sure.
Yes, sir.
So no 6 months, 8 months plus 4 months something
Say,
like that.
6 months in on board, sir. Another 6 months in training.
Sorry sir, galat sir. 8 months in training, college and 4 months in training. Somewhere full 12 months there. Right sir?
Yeah, okay.
So to all those guys, I want to tell you, different companies, different colleges, you can download Merchant Navy Startup, but they have got different rules. Some colleges say full 12 months with us, and then we'll send you on ship. Some colleges say 8 months over here, 4 months on ship. We'll also pay you very less, but you will get some practical knowledge, right? Name one college which gives 8 plus 4, and one college which gives 12 months plus 0. 12 months in college. 8 plus 4 कौन सा college देता है? Which college?
I think Sims, sir.
Sims 8 plus 4 guys? No sir. I'll kill you sir. You come here from and you don't know this. Yes sir. 10 plus 8. I will kill you again. 8 plus 4 कौन देता है? Great Eastern? Yes? Anglo भी देता है 8 plus 4. अच्छा. 7 8 plus 4. मैं पूछ रहा हूँ. Very well sure बताओ मुझे. Are you sure? क्या? Great Eastern 8 plus 4? Anglo no. Synergy no. Right? So only a few companies and colleges give. Okay? What is the fees of Anglo-Asian Maritime Academy?
Anglo-Asian, sir. 8 lakhs.
I'll kill you again. Which colleges are you eligible for? Anglo eligible for Anglo?
Me, sir?
Yes.
No.
No. Which colleges are you eligible for?
I am eligible for Sims, Great Eastern, IMS Goa.
So IMS Goa की fees बताओ. So now guys you can see I am going to kill him now. First of all, he does not look into my eyes.
Okay.
Then at least he knows that which college is eligible for. I guess through Merchant Navy startup or eligibility calculator.
Yes, sir.
But then does not know even the fees. Either you are a very rich man.
No, sir.
No, not rich. Then you should know the fees,
Sir,
right?
I don't focus on the fees. I
Why?
focus on the job only, sir.
नहीं देखो एक चीज समझनी है. Suppose I'll tell you. Suppose now you have got a college. I'll tell you it is very important. Say you get a company. There is a company इसका नाम बोलेगा Fleet Management से या Synergy. They tell you कि okay you are sponsored and they tell you which we are giving you options for 3 colleges. You can join anyone. Which college will you join? Say one is in Kochi. Fees is 5 lakhs, 6 lakhs. Another is in say Gujarat. Fees is 3 lakhs. Which one will you join?
I first see the quality of the college.
Quality same. देखो 1 year के अंदर आप बोलो quality. I am again telling you. You feel that way. I'll be very honest. आप ship पे जाके जा सकते हो और अगर DG shipping is very strict. If the DG shipping has approved, certainly good colleges. ठीक है fine. Not matter much. So then what?
Then
Gujarat or Cochin? Cochin very near to your place.
Yes, sir.
Comfortable people. Dosa, idli, vada, everything you require. Gujarat you don't get that. नहीं genuine question है boss. I am not mocking at something. I am working on your concepts. because this is what works. So 6 lakh plus dosa plus Italy plus whatever everything, and people whom you can convert in your language, or 3 lakhs or 3.5 lakhs, but you have to eat thepla, a Gujarati food, other different food, Northern Indian food, but you're talking to a lot of people who speak in Hindi language. What will you prefer? He does not. He belongs to a rich man. His father is very rich, because he does not want to save 3 lakh rupees. Bhai, he is not looking at saving 3 lakh rupees. 3 lakh. I want भैया खाना. अगर तेरे पास वो 3 लाख पड़े ना, तू हर दिन बाहर जाके भी डोसा इडली वड़ा सब कुछ खा सकता है, मिल जाएगा, right? And 3 lakhs. So the thing that you look at, money is important. You have already spent a lot of money in BTech Mechanical, right? अब फिर कितना spend करोगे? So don't think too much. Save money. I'll tell you why it is also important. Suppose you take education loan. तुमने बोला कि यार मैं 6 लाख का कॉलेज करूंगा, एजुकेशन लोन लूंगा, और तुम्हें you would have got same quality, same company at 3 lakhs. So वो 3 लाख का लोन उतारना भी तो है, उसके ऊपर इंटरेस्ट भी तो लगेगा. You will be losing a lot of money. Along with that time, you cannot do that, right? Understood? So Anglo-Eastern की फीस कितनी है? 6.65 lakhs. IMS was 6.08 lakhs. 7 and 6.58 lakhs और भी. So where are you going to come to? चलो खोलो जरा देखते हैं. मर्चेंट नेवी स्टार्टअप है तुम्हारे यहाँ? You do you have मर्चेंट नेवी स्टार्टअप? चलो sure. So tell me the fees of Great Eastern. Sure. Let's see. I'm taking the test whether merchant navy startup works or not. Great Eastern Institute of Maritime Studies fees how much? देखते हैं कितनी फास्ट निकालता है. Let's see. No. Let me see. I don't remember. Okay. Let's see.
Anglo.
No, Anglo नहीं. मैंने बोला Great Eastern. In the others वाली लिस्ट में. यहाँ देखना चाहिए. नीचे करो. कितना है?
Eligibility.
नहीं, I'm asking a fees.
Fees. Apply.
ना. हाँ. सामने लिखी है फीस 6.18 lakhs. एलिजिबिलिटी पे क्लिक कर रहा है, अप्लाई नाउ पे क्लिक करेंगे, फीस नहीं दिख रहा है. That means he does not look at the app at all. Thank you very much. Thank you.
I look at sir, but I don't focus on that.
Okay, no worry. I know. He is a rich man. He does not focus on the fees. Give me more fees at SMA. 2 students fees. Thank you. चलो बैठ जाओ. Keep working hard. आ जाओ.